I think if Northwest Arkansas has a vibe, it's aspiration. And the potential here is palpable, and you can see that in even the physical development that is pervasive in the area. Any street you drive down, you see construction projects. Any skyline you look at, you're probably going to see a crane. The possibility for growth in the construction industry is endless.
Here at NWACC, we offer a 2-year degree in an Associate of Applied Science in Construction Technology. What that consists of is a series of classes that progress from entry-level craft skills all the way up to commercial construction, codes and regs, surveying, as well as a few other classes to complete the degree plan, which would ultimately lead to jobs in the construction industry in this area. Our graduates generally go into jobs such as project engineers or assistant project engineers, and there are both field jobs and office jobs. Some of the jobs in the office might be estimating, schedulers, those sorts of things, but there's people that want to be in the field and they may focus on project management in the field or project engineers and work their way up to be the ultimate goal is to be a superintendent on a large construction site.
We talk about how our students often go from the field to the trailer. So we are at the front lines with them, helping them understand the methods, the materials, and we are taking them through a process that is eventually gearing them to, if they choose, end up in the trailer as project engineers, project superintendents, or beyond.
Here at NWACC, we work out of the Integrated Design Lab. And what's unique about this Integrated Design Lab is that we have 3 disciplines that are somewhat different: the arts, the engineering or drafting team, as well as the construction team, all under one roof. And the reason we're under one roof together is because we teach design thinking in all of our entry-level classes. So I teach it in construction, and we use one method to apply that learning. The art guys teach it just down the hall, and they use a different method to apply the learning. And finally, the drafting department also teaches design thinking. So these students get exposed to design thinking from multiple disciplines, and then they understand how they can be a creative problem solver on the job site by learning from different aspects of the same problem-solving technique. Not a week goes by that I don't get a call from an HR person or a leader from one of our construction companies or our subcontractors where they're asking for students to come to help. And I've had it from every industry you can imagine, from doors and windows to framing to commercial construction to concrete to equipment operations. And we have great relationships with all these contractors and subcontractors in the area. They all sit on our advisory board. And so they feel very comfortable coming to us and saying, this is the kind of student I need, and I can use 3 tomorrow. What's a great problem to have is that I have more jobs today than I have students to fill those roles, and that's a wonderful thing to have.